Alexa, tell Apex Fusion to feed my fish.
Starting Feed My Fish.
Terrence here with another video, this time to show you how to combine Amazon Alexa along with your Apex to take control of your tanks simply using your voice. First, I want to tell all of our legacy customers out there that we didn't leave you behind on this feature. That's right, Alexa control can be used with any Apex we've ever sold. You are going to need an Amazon Alexa device though to make this happen. But don't worry, there are many models to choose from, and low-cost options like this Echo Dot start at under $40. Once you've done all the initial setup to get your Alexa device configured and online, you just have to install the Apex Fusion Alexa skill to link your Apex to Alexa. First, open up the Alexa app on your mobile device like my iPhone here. Click on that menu icon in the upper left. Now select Skills and Games. Click on the search icon and type Apex Fusion. The Apex Fusion skill should appear. Select it, and now tap the blue Enable button. You'll now be connected to the Apex Fusion login screen. Here you'll tell Apex Fusion that you want Alexa to be able to communicate with it in the cloud. Sign in, and then tap the orange Allow button. Well, that's it. Your Apex Fusion account is now linked in the cloud to your Alexa account. There's just one more step. You have to tell Apex Fusion which Apex you want controlled by Alexa, because some people have more than one Apex. So go to your Apex Fusion list and click on the gear next to the Apex you want connected to Alexa, and then select Enable Voice. Now this specific Apex is linked with your Alexa account and ready to take commands. Let's try it out right now with one simple command. Say, Alexa, ask Apex Fusion for a status report.
The temperature probe named TMP is 77.4 degrees.
You should get something just like that. It should come back and tell you the temperature of your aquarium. But don't worry, you can customize this to your liking. This is just a default status report. So now let's start customizing Alexa for your needs. Go to your voice settings on the Apex by tapping the gear icon on the main menu bar. Look for the icon that looks like a microphone and then select that. This is the voice configuration screen. There are two main areas on the screen and they do different things. The first section is where you set up what things you want to be read back to you when you ask for a status report. These can be probes, inputs like float switches or power draw, outputs like outlets or alarms, or even the status of your feed cycle. You can add lots of things to this list, but I suggest you keep it to just a few key things. Otherwise, your status report will go on and on when Alexa reads it back to you. For me, the most important thing to know on your aquarium is its temperature, so let's add that first. Tap the plus symbol here to add this first item to your status report. Now select the type of item. I'm selecting an input, and then the item itself, in this case, temp, and then select OK. You can repeat this for each item you want to put on your status report. If you want it to be read back to you in a different order, simply tap and hold the bars icon here and slide the item up or down in the list, and then release. The next section on this configuration screen is called aliases. Aliases are how we make your crazy Apex names, yeah, we know who you are, into something that sounds intelligible when it comes out of Alexa's electronic mouth. For instance, with temperature, we don't want her to say, the temperature probe named temp is 78 degrees. What we want her to say is, the temperature is 78 degrees. So, to do that, we add an alias. Tap the plus symbol, select the type, in this case an input, and then select the input, in this case temp. Now type the alias you want in the box below, in this case temperature, and then tap OK. Now let's hear that status report again. Alexa, ask Apex Fusion for a status report.
Temperature is 77.4 degrees.
Well, now you can hear that it sounds much better. Now let's make another alias, this time for the feed cycle command. For this example, let's assume that feed A has already been configured on your Apex to feed your fish, and you want to be able to do that through Alexa to impress your friends. Come on now, we all know that's what we do with our Apexes. All we need to do is set up an alias for that feed mode. So we first tap on the plus symbol, then choose feed for the type. Now select A for feed mode A, and then you can type whatever you wish in the alias. But I like to use the phrase feed my fish, and then select OK. Now all I have to say is, Alexa, tell Apex Fusion to feed my fish.
Starting feed my fish.
Now what's really cool is it doesn't end there. You can set up a feed mode D, for instance, to be your maintenance mode, and then create an alias called maintenance mode. And then when it's time to clean your filter socks and your skimmer, you simply say, Alexa, tell Apex Fusion to start maintenance mode. And then your pumps and your skimmer go off. Pretty slick, huh? Now if you need help on how to set up a feed mode for maintenance, our community forum or Facebook user group are perfect for getting advice on that. If you want more info on Alexa, please first check out the help screen found here. And then also you can go to our Alexa FAQ on our community forum if you want more info. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you and to get you started with voice activating your Apex with Alexa. Now go give it a try. Now if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, ask your questions or leave your comments below, and be sure to subscribe to the channel and select notification. That way you'll know the moment our next video releases. And until next time, enjoy those fish.